Hey guys, it's your girl Kendra of KendraNix.com, and I hope you are having a fabulous day. So, listen, this is all about beauty today. And the way, if you follow me, you already know that I wear wigs. I change my hair. But when I put this thing on, I didn't do much to it, and I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Oh. But anywho, let's get right to it. So this is not like one of those YouTube reviews, or maybe it is. I don't know, but it's on my blog. Okay. So I always get questions about skincare. I guess people think I take very good of my skin. Well, thank you. I get it from my mama. But I turned a year older last week, 37. Twerk like I'm 12. I'm just joking now. But I found out that some things that my mama passed down to me uh, is getting a little rough. And I know a lot of women who deal with facial hair. I'm one of them. And whew. So I was using one cleanser, and I said maybe I need something that's more deep, a little bit more, I guess, abrasive. To help, because they say exfoliation helps with the facial hair growing. Listen, mine grows like a tree by the second. I wish my hair would. Yeah, I don't want all that. So I have seen so many people use Urban Skin RX. I'm not going to do all that close up. Can you see, guys? They know they could see. Stop playing. So I said I was going to do beauty blogs for you guys. I ordered their Radiance Restore oil. And disclaimer, I do have some foundation on today. I use Black Opal. I mixed two colors in one, Black Walnut and Caribou. I think those are the two I mix. And of course, my favorite lippy, Boss Lady by the Lip Bar. And a little eyeshadow palette that I got for free from Ulta. You're not going to get much makeup or any makeup from me. My go-to is a bold lip, and that's it. A bold lip and sunscreen. How about that? That is my staple. I've always done that. If you see more, like today I had a business meeting. So if you see more, that's why. So I said I needed something because I see my skin changing and I wanted to keep it butter. I want to keep it like it is. I love my skin. I love being healthy. I drink tons of water. If I'm drinking something other than water, it's wine. Every blue moon, I might be like, oh, I want a soda. And I'm like, gosh, this is so much. But other than that, I'm a water drinker. And because I just like water. So I got that. Oh, what is this? Oh yeah. Purifying 2-in-1 pumpkin pour, detox mask and scrub. So I saw one of my faves on Twitter use this. Karen Civil. I know you guys follow her. You may not, but she's she's thebomb.com, my book. And I saw this and I was like, what? She uses Urban RX. And I know my sister told me about it. I believe I've seen Fantasia use it and stuff. And I was just like, whatever, I'll stick with my regimen. But I found out that your girl needed something just a little bit more than what I was using. And I said, I'll give them a try. So that's another one. I'm not going to do all that. Let me show you the packaging. If y'all concerned about the packaging, not the product, then we got a problem. Okay? Anyways. Back to this. And, oh yeah, this is the one. Sorry for the paper noise, guys. But can we get back into this wig? Okay, but anyways. I got the 3-in-1 cleanser, exfoliator, and mask. So that's going to be cool. I believe this is one of their top sellers. I've been looking for it. Oh, dang. So it is, I thought it was like a little bar of soap, but That's some good plastic. Let's see. Oh, okay. So you just like, my science has been bothering me. Sorry, that was not laying light. Okay. So when it said cleansing bar, I thought it was like a soap bar. It's not. So, yeah. So this is the products that I got. You know, the Radiance Restore Oil. And once again, I think I have great skin. I just know as we get older, things start to change. And one of my changes has been this facial hair. Yeah. So I said I need something that I don't have to buy this product, that product. When it comes to my face, I don't change. This is new for me to change something. Ooh. I'm a creature of habit. I'm a Taurus. Horns up. And it's hard for me to change, especially for my face. Ooh. Yeah. So it's very hard for you girls to change something. But I'm going to try this out and see. I'm especially excited about this detox mask and scrub. Because sometimes, certain days, I don't know, it's because being a woman, you know, we go through cycles and stuff. My pores are just like, is that a pore? Why is it so big? You know? But I know we all go through that. But I'm here. My sinuses. I'm so sorry, guys. Welcome to Alabama. I'm going to try these, and I will definitely do an update. Oop. You can tell I don't do these things often. But I said I was going to give you guys more content. Hey, from beauty, tech to fun. That's what you're going to get from Kendra, okay? But I'm definitely going to try these. Hopefully they will work. Like I said, the scrubbing, exfoliating does help with the facial hair not coming back. Mine is coarse. I'm just going to tell y'all. TMI, right? No, mine is coarse. Yeah, mine is coarse. So, I'm going to try these. Y'all pray my strength. Y'all know how I feel about my face. If you're curious to like, what is my current beauty regimen? I cleanse, I tone, I protect, moisturize. That has been it for the past years. Yeah. Well, yeah. Ever since working overseas, I cleanse with purity. I tone with, I'll put the links below, my botanics. I found it overseas when I was over there. And now it's in America, so I love it. $6 a bottle, nothing fancy. I can't use witch hazel. It just doesn't, yeah. I'm not a witch hazel toner. Sunscreen, La Roche or La Roche, however they pronounce it. I've been using that for years. I use Sunscreen 365 or 366, whatever we get. I don't play with that. People don't realize that's the protection. And also, a tip, the sunscreen helps with your dark spots. Me, with the facial hair issue, the dark spots, they come, but they go. Why? Because when you put sunscreen on top of them, you help them to not get darker. They lighten, and then with exfoliating, on top of that, they disappear. Like I had a little, I don't think you can see it. Then, yeah, it's been my regimen. And moisturizer, I use Aqua Bomb. I get it from Sephora. That's been my go-to. Like I said, I don't wear makeup every day. My go-to is a bold lip, smile, and hands on the hip. Okay? So that's it for today, guys. Like I said, beauty, tech, and fun. That's what you're going to get from Kendra Nix, baby. So I will let you guys know how this works out. Pray my strength. Pray for me. But I'm excited to use it. Especially the Radiance Restore Oil. Because I want this face to look like this when I'm 90 and I'm twerking. But whoa. Oh, hey. Okay, peace out, guys. Ah, I'm still here. I thought I hit the button. Okay, peace out, guys. Hey guys, it's your girl Kendra of KendraNix.com, and I am coming back with my week update for the Urban Skin RX products that I purchased. Yes, yes, yes. So let's get into it. First up will be the Even Tone Cleansing Bar, the 3-in-1 treatment. And you remember me saying, oh gosh, I thought it was going to be actual bar, like hand soap bar, but it was in this plastic container. I love that. Reason being, okay, so it comes with the little sponge. Oh gosh, I love that. I don't know what it is. I saw a little YouTube tutorial where a young lady, she says that before she does the actual cleansing bar, she wets her sponge and she wipes her face with it. I did that and then used the cleansing, same sponge. And when I tell you, I'm just like, ooh, I don't know. It feels great. My skin didn't dry out, and I have combination skin. It didn't dry out. The first day, like when I got it after I did the box opening, I just tested this area right here with the product just to make sure that there wasn't something in it that I would be allergic to. I have tough skin, thank God. So I was like, let me just test it. Like I said, I don't play with my face. So I tested it just to make sure there wasn't something in it that I would be allergic to. The smell, I loved it. Yeah, I've used it every day, day and night, since I told you guys about it. And I love it. Like I said, I don't know if it's using the little sponge pad that comes with it. It feels good. And I do feel a deeper clean that I was looking for. Like I said, as we get older, our face changes and stuff, hormones, all that fun stuff of being a woman. I knew I needed something just a little bit more to help your girl out. So I used that and I liked it. So the next one, and I'm making sure I go in the order that I use them. So the next one was the Hydro Nutrient Radiance Restore Oil. Yes, Hydro Nutrients Radiance Restore Oil. Okay, so let me tell you about the oil. For me, I used 3 drops the first day. No, I used 4 drops the first day. And after I put these drops on, I was a glowworm. Once again, I have combination skin. I inherited the Rudolph the Red-Nosed thing from my mom. So I'm going to shine regardless. So I couldn't say, oh, that was a factor. I do feel for me, I only need 2 to 3 drops. And if I do it at night, I don't use moisturizer. I just feel that was just too much for me. I do love the oil. I am still using it as of today, which has been a week and a day. So that was my only thing. If I use it throughout for daytime, I use a little bit. For night, I may add the extra drop and no moisturizer. For the simple fact, your girl's going to glow regardless. And it just gave me a lot of shine on top of the natural shine that my skin's going to do. Like I said, Rudolph, I'm his cousin. So needless to say, the oil, I didn't have any like odd smells or anything. The applicator was fine. No big like red flags with the product. That was my only thing, but I love it. I'm looking forward to seeing what it does. If you guys are wondering what I have on my face right now, you're just getting a bold lip and a smile. No makeup on. I have the Radiance Oil and I wash my face with the cleansing bar. I use my sunscreen and I do have moisturizer on. So I do have my products on, plus I did my toner. So this is what you got. As you can see, I got a little glow. And I did notice I started to glow a little bit more right here, which is fine because it made me look like I have a natural highlight. So I was just like, you better glow, girl. So that's a plus to that. And on to, I think, my favorite of them all. And once again, I saw somebody else just post this on their Twitter. I told you guys Twitter's like one of my favorite social media platforms. And they posted the Purifying 2-in-1 Pumpkin Pore Detox Mask and Scrub. So the first day I used it, it says it heats up. I was a little nervous, so I only used it for like 3-4 minutes. I set that time. I was like, Alexa, set a timer. Because listen, I don't want to stay on my face. It does something. It was a thicker consistency, which was cool because that to me means it's going to scrub really good. I could feel the beads. It did warm up, which I thought was pretty cool. I don't know why, but I did. And like I said, the first time I only used it for 3 to 4 minutes. That was it. I believe the instructions say to massage in your face for 30 seconds. I did use a timer for that just to be on the safe side. I wanted to follow the instructions to the T. And it says not to leave on your face for more than 15 minutes. If you're sensitive skin, use it 1 time a week. If not, 2 to 3 times is fine, I believe, from the instructions, but the links will be below. So the first night I was like, okay, all right. The second week that I used it, well, the end of the first week, something like that, whatever. My time's all messed up. But the last time I used it, which was this past Friday, I did the 30 seconds. I love that warming sensation. And I let it stay on for about 10 minutes. And I was just like, I was loving it. I was loving it. And when you rinse it off, it's not the feeling that you think nice and creamy. Is as if I feel, and I know it's probably just the product, but I felt it was taking off something. Like you taking off some dead skin. Thank you. I appreciate you. So it was definitely a good experience with that. That may be my favorite. You know, exfoliation is a staple for getting this skin to glow. And if I can go the rest of my life with just my regimen and a bold lip and my hands on a hip and a smile, that's all I want. So my final thoughts on the products. I love them. I will continue to use them. No complaints from me. Like I said, with the Radiance Restore Oil, the only thing is the glow worm effect that I inherited from my mom. I have to be very cautious of how much I use. But other than that, I love it. As you can see today, and I may add a selfie in here for you guys just to see. This is me. This part of my skin is still my problem area. I know this will take a little bit more time for the simple fact this is where the monsters tend to try to hide, and I have to, women, we go through a lot, honey. Lord have mercy. But beauty is pain, and isn't that what they say? I think so. But it shouldn't have to be. So I try to make it easy on myself. Other than that, that's my review of Urban Skin RX products. Try it out. No referral code here, buds. Just my honest opinion on something I needed to try for me. And I'd say, hey, I'll share with you. Other than that, guys, have an awesome day and an awesome week. And stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys.